Good morning on a Monday from Forex Info US. If you stick with me, I have a little bit to say about recent movements of the euro so far today in Monday's Asian trading session. But first up, I want to show you 3 candlestick patterns that I use to supplement an Elliot wave count and to try and predict trend patterns and changes. So let's have a look at this chart I've photoshopped here. Here we go. So I'm just going to show you 3 today. I use a total of about 14, or some of them I use more than others. These are the more common ones. I use a total of 14, and I will in the next couple of days prepare a PDF that will be free to download from our website. So watch the space, and I'll do another article and let you know when it's available. So the first couple I want to show you are really simple. They are just using 1 candlestick each, and the colour of the body doesn't matter. Hammers and hanging men. A hammer is in the context of a downwards trend. The colour doesn't matter, but the length of the real body to the shadow does. The shadow has to be twice the length of the real body. A hammer is indicating a bottom, it's hammering out a bottom. Conversely, hanging men, again colour doesn't matter, hanging men occur near tops. Here's a good hanging man. The size of the real body is at least half, or the shadow is twice as long as the real body. Again, real body, shadow about twice as long as the real body. These 2 guys appeared just before a major downtrend. They don't have to come right before, they can be a warning indicator. Here's another hanging man here, this little one with the little blue body. This one isn't quite a hanging man, the length of the shadow isn't quite twice of the real body, but this is a good one. It's got almost no upper shadow, and the length of the lower shadow is twice the length of the real body. So this hanging man appeared just before we had quite a decent downwards move. So that's one. The other one that's necessarily more complicated because it involves 3 candlesticks in formation is a morning doji star. There's a reverse, flip it up the other way, and it's an evening star at the top of a pivot point. So these guys are both coming at bottom pivot points. The first candlestick is a long red body, followed by a candlestick with a minuscule or no body, this is the star, followed by a blue body that moves significantly into the price area of the first candlestick. Again, first candlestick with a longer red body, followed by a star, followed by a blue candlestick that moves significantly into the area of the red body, in this case almost completely into the area of the red body. A nice morning doji star here signifying a change of pattern. A morning doji star here signifying a change of pattern. So the absence of a candlestick pattern does not mean that a pattern change is not going to happen. It's just an additional confirmation to your Elliot wave count. Okay, now before I go, I want to have a look and see what's happened with the euro so far today. We had this nice 5-wave downwards movement, although wave 3, as a couple of people have pointed out and I myself have stated, is actually 0.8 of a pip less than wave 5. A little bit of doubt on this wave count. Apart from that, it's a nice clear wave count and a nice clear trend channel. We've got these nice parallel lines outlining our trend channel now, and I don't expect this upwards parallel line here to be breached for quite some time until we see the end of the 3rd wave. So far yesterday, Friday's New York session, it moved down and ran out of steam. Since then it's been trading upwards in today's Asian session. I'm figuring that if it makes this 0.618 ratio, that would be a great point for it to get, because it also happens to coincide with this upwards trend channel. So that would be a really nice point to look for to enter a short opportunity. However, this downwards move only retraced 0.382. This downward move got between 0.382 and 0.5 ratio, and this retracement for this whole downward move didn't even make the 0.5 ratio. So there's a lot of downward pressure. I'm really not sure that this is going to get up much higher than the 0.5 ratio, but I'm just going to wait and see. After it's done that, I expect in the New York session it's going to turn down again and make a new low. So that's all from us today at Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable, and have a good day.